Welcome students of the exam classes in Curaçao. I'm working in this video about the exams of VBO, but this video is also very helpful for HAVO students because often they repeat the questions on a HAVO exam of the former year. Exam of 2025, and it's the history exam. Let's look at the question. Yeah? In the major part of the 17th and 18th century, the islands were governed by the West India Company, also in short in Dutch, the WIC. Yeah, so we see this area on this map over there, yeah, was governed by the WIC. I'm talking about the two circles, Sint Maarten, Saba, and Sint Eustatius, and Aruba, Curaçao, and Bonaire were governed by the WIC together as their possession. So it wasn't a part of the Netherlands back then. It was actually a possession of the WIC. It was owned by them. This company owned the 6 islands. Yeah, like we can see here. Well, when we look at the question, explain with an example if the WIC had a lot of authority in the real world, in practice or not. Yeah, authority is in Dutch gezag. Yeah, did they have a lot of gezag in their territories or not? So we're seeing in the question actually between 1600 and 1800, because they're talking about the 17th and 18th century, and this period is between 1600 and 1800. Yeah, na Christus, like we say in Dutch. Yeah, AD. And gezag means that were people listening to the WIC and their orders or not? Ja, hadden ze veel of weinig gezag in practice, in reality? Ja, hadden ze in de praktijk, hadden ze veel of weinig gezag? Dan think hopi of no hopi mas autoridad? Did they have a lot or not a lot of authority in the real world? Dit moet je uitleggen met een voorbeeld. Explica esse aqui com een exemplo. Of in het gebied van de WIC, in al de kolonies, yeah, if they had a lot of authority. In short, the WIC was like a big company, yeah, and they had an office also in the city of Amsterdam. That's the location of their head office actually. And it was a company, so again, the 6 islands were not owned by the Netherlands, not part of the Netherlands in this period above, but they were a possession of the WIC. Goodbye.